Mm, Welcome to second video lecture in Unit 3. In this, as I told you, the syllabus is describing about behavioral and static diagrams. In this particular lecture, we will be concentrating more on behavioral diagrams. This is a class diagram where the first part is going to be this one is going to be the name of the class, variables and the functions, and arrows represent the connection between various classes, and these values 1 star represents the multiplicity between different classes. That is nothing but the number of instances, and it represents generalization class. All these details we'll be discussing more detail when we are handling inside the classroom. So basically generalization is something similar to inheritance concept. For example, if we have a customer, what are all the different types of customer we have? For example, it may be a corporate customer or a personal customer. Personal customer is having some features, a corporate customer will have certain features. Similarly, we go to the class order, we are going to place order. Like so, this is nothing but the class diagram which depicts the connection between various classes. So as I said, this is the simple format for defining the variables inside the class. This is the attribute format. More details I'll give you inside the classrooms when we are discussing this. And right now these are the associations. So the whole picture I have discussed in the start. Here it's just going part by part, one by one. And this is the multiplicity feature 1, 0 to 1, or star, which represents multiple instances. And sometimes boundary may be 0, it may be mandatory. For a low bound one, it may be single valued, it may be multi-valued. So there are these examples can be discussed more in detail later. And in some cases, there can be bidirectional relation also. A car can be related with the person, and as well as a person can also be related with the car. So in this case, association can be represented in two different ways. Right? So these are the basic operations that can be done inside a class. Thank you. These are the textbooks and references, and these are the references. Thank you.